Okay, so we got one more. Check out my airbrush stuff behind me. I made an airbrush card like so long ago. So in this video, we're going to do a chrome look. We're going to do it with the French stencils. I'm going to hit it with, hold on, let me grab it, with this one right here. And fun fact, the D&D, these like nude base gels, you can chrome over them without putting a top coat. You can. How did I discover that? I don't know. But they never talk about it. And it's literally all of them like their little nude collections. I just cure it for 60 seconds. Let's get into the look. Okay, so we got our stencil placed right down where we want it, and I want it right at the edge. Like I said, this is a D&D. The specific one is 882. It's a sheer. I just cured it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to use the Express Claws Chrome, and this is the full Halo Spectrum Gold, because I feel like it'll show up well. And this is a makeup sponge that I just got from Amazon. And we're just going to burnish it right in on that tip there. Super easy. Okay, let's get the stencil off. Oh my gosh. Okay, so before you take the stencil off, just make sure you look on your client's nails on the side, right? And make sure it's like fully there. Now, if it was me, I do like a full French. But I have noticed that the girls are liking the micro French. Look how clean that line is. All right, let's go in with some top coat, because we just literally put this like right over the I should have brushed off the excess, right over the cured D&D pink. Let's pop that into the lamp. Okay, so we're out of the lamp, and it's such a clean French line. I'll go ahead and link everything I use below. Thanks for watching my 3-part series on micro French and using the French nail stencils. This pack will be linked below, as well as all the other things that we use in the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And of course, please, 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 if you've got something that you want to see, yeah, ask it. I will help you. Thank you. Bye.